this is Faithlyn with Elegance for Less. Thank you so much for choosing to watch this video today. I am going to do a quick DIY for you. It's going to be inexpensive and quick and easy. I've shared with you guys that I am doing a beach theme, and so I wanted to do something a little rustic and beachy for you guys. I went to the Dollar Tree and they had these boxes that they were getting rid of, and these are the ones that the battery operated candles come in, and I asked them and they said yes. So actually, does it say that? Yeah, the pillar candles. So you will need one of those if you're going to create this project. You can get them from the Dollar Tree, or you can use a regular box, whatever works best for you. But that's where I got mine. I got it from the Dollar Tree, and I have these mirrors. I've shared them with you before. I went ahead, add some gold trimmings to it so it would have the blue and gold, and that's pretty much the theme that I'm going with. I'm going with gold, navy blue, and teal. So that is absolutely perfect. That was one of the reasons why I hauled this. Now, you will need the board, you'll need a mirror, you'll need some rope, and the rope came from Walmart. It's $2.98, very inexpensive. Then I also got these several months ago. I shared them with you before when I did that love sign with the rope. These are burlap little bows. I think they're adorable. They came from Michael's, and they were inexpensive as well. I'm sorry, you know, they didn't come from Michael's. They came from Hobby Lobby in the bridal section. That's where I got it. Hobby Lobby. And you'll need a sand dollar. That's a little shell. I actually got that on the beach. I paid 99 cents. And I'm thinking I may need some gems. I'm going to see if it's necessary. You'll need your glue gun, your glue sticks, and a scissors. First thing we want to do is start at the end. The reason why, it's a box, so you want to make sure that you're going to cover every area of this box. So lay your glue down. Then add your rope. I'm going to try to do it as close to the edge as possible. And straight. Try to keep it as straight as possible as you can get it. And I hope that if you guys have not seen my rope floor mat, that you guys will check it out. I really love the way it turned out. I have it on my front porch and it's really very nice. I hope you guys will recreate it and share with me how it turned out for you. Okay guys, so this is how it should look, and you're going to take that all the way around. I'm going to do that, come back and show you where I am. Okay guys, so I went ahead and did all the way around, and I absolutely love the way that that looks. Having it on the table, there is no way you can tell that that is cardboard. It's really pretty neat. Love it. Okay, so what I want to do now is go ahead and take my sand dollar, add some glue to it, and find the center of my tray and lay it down, just like that. Hold it in place so that it would dry. I'm assuming I'm in the center. Seems the center. Let's make sure I'm even. Yep, that's pretty good. And then my little bow, I want to go ahead and add some glue to that, and I want to center that onto my sand dollar. I'm going to hold it in place, let the glue dry, and guys, I think that is adorable for a tray. Okay, so I had these little stones here, and I'm thinking I want to insert one of them into the flower just to add a little bling. I think it's adorable. I hope you guys do as well. I'm going to add some accessory and I'll be back. Okay guys, so this is how it turned out. I love the way it looks. Rustic, beachy, love, love, love. Hope you guys do too. If you do, give me a thumbs up, share with your family and friends. I truly appreciate your time, your support. And guys, leave me a comment so I know what you're thinking. Let me know if this is something that you would recreate. It is very inexpensive. As I mentioned before, the rope is at Walmart and it costs $2.98. You just use a portion of that. And the mirror you can haul from the Dollar Tree, or if you already have a mirror. And the box is free. I got mine from the Dollar Tree, but you can get yours from anywhere you'd like. And the little sand dollar was 99 cents. You can even pick up some shells at the beach and use something else if you prefer to make it even more inexpensive. All right, guys, thank you so much again, and I will see you on my next DIY.